ColeenAlicia and I'm back with another vlog. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not new, then welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the post notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you'll be one of the first to know. Today's Thursday. It's the beginning of another weekend vlog. I know you guys have missed me. I've missed you guys so much. But now I'm missing you for true in a real life, in a real time. I'm missing you. But right now I'm in the bathroom. I'm about to get ready to go to the supermarket. It's about after 5 in the afternoon. That's how late I'm starting off the vlog. But since I got the supermarket, I say why not? I know that you can probably hear that I sound a bit nasal. Alright, so what had happened was I caught the really bad flu that's going around. I don't know if anybody on here knows about it, but me catch it and it licked me for 6. And then weekend gone, I think I may get better. I'm gonna get a radam because here it is again. Because why? Why am I relapsing? Tell me why I have it again. But anyway, that's why I'm so. I've been missing, I know. I gave you guys an update though. I told you guys that I would be out for maybe a month, and it has been a month. A little bit over a month. Because you need a time for just for me. Now I'm not for doing YouTube, and I'm not for doing me taking a break from social media because I didn't or anything like that. But me personally did just need some time, I guess. So that's what's up, that's what it is. As I said, I'm about to go to the supermarket. I'm about to take a shower, get ready to call the cab to leave. So I'm gonna bring one to the supermarket with me. And yeah, by the way, if you're new to my channel, you probably would not have known that I was on a weight loss journey. I still am, but I lose around 8 pounds. I feel like I'm rich. So I'm fat again. Me one thing, I'm not come here, I'm not come back on the internet, come tell nobody about no weight loss journey because that is something that I'm not on. Anyway, I'm just gonna try to eat better and whatever the case may be. So do not ask me about no weight, don't ask me about the loss or the gain or anything. I will not be sharing any of that here anymore. So let me just go get ready. The intro long enough. I'm gonna get ready and then we can hit the road. Alright guys, so I think we're ready now to leave. Not think, I am. Nose one clean. Yeah, so I'm gonna pick up the 2 little things. Tell me something. When me not going to the bathroom, right? It was broad daylight. Tell me why. I don't be long and 5 minutes later, outside at midnight. What's happening? The nights are so much longer now. But anyway, you don't know the dog them to make them appearance, you know? Introduce yourself. Yeah. Yeah, so I got the supermarket, go pick up the 2 little things and then we'll be back. So let's go. I'm back home. I'm just want telling them I know some show now in the cart. I think I showed you guys the thing there also. But the bill came to $15,678 for the two little things. I mean, this is probably 1 week or 1.5 week worth of stuff, and this not include meat. Jamaican livable. Anyway, about dinner at Little Tokyo. So yeah guys, so as I was saying, I stopped to get dinner at Little Tokyo. So I get noodles and 2 different kind of chicken. I think this is supposed to be the general chicken, I'm not sure. And this I think a sweet chili. That's not chili. I don't know. 2 different chicken and noodles. So I'm gonna grub, and I probably won't see you guys back until tomorrow. Yes, so I'm gonna grub on that because I'm so hungry. I'm gonna eat out from morning, leave a cap, and then I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Hey guys, good morning, happy Friday. I'm about to go on the road. I just got done getting ready to go on the road. I'm gonna go today. I have a few errands to run today. I hope you guys are having a fabulous Friday, or whatever day it is, or whatever time it is. Be blessed, be encouraged, you know, yeah, all of that. So I'm about to go run some errands on the road. I'll be going to Pika office. Also, I'm gonna take my son to the barber, and I need to go to Kingston Bookshop for some stuff and some other little you know, other little run up and down I have to do today. So I'm about to go, and when we get to Pika office, I'll let you guys know. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Look at the good boy.
And it's very short.
So you're not looking at me?
Huh?
You're not looking at me? Hold up your head.
I'm looking at you.
Hold up your head.
I was looking at you.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. Don't Uber right at my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I did too much, I did too much. Let's get naughty, yeah, I need all the I did too much, I did too much. Yeah, let's party, yeah, I need all the First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing.
So I stopped at Popeyes to get something, some food. I like after 3 now. Come inside to get something to eat. And sing and sing, sitting and waiting on my order now. That's my second one. That's me. Guys, I'm home and I'm about to eat the food I'm going to buy. And I'm gonna watch a Christmas movie on Netflix. You tell me how it go. You do nice. I'm home, guys. I'm about to eat some food and just chill for the rest of the evening and watch a Christmas movie on Netflix. What name again? Falling for Christmas. I don't know. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing right now. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, happy Sunday. Good morning. I hope you guys are having a great Sunday, or whichever day it is. I always say that. Anyway, it's Sunday. I don't think I picked up the camera much yesterday. I didn't really have much doing yesterday. I was just inside there and I chose not to do anything at all. So not even when I do nothing. I just chose. I really didn't do much yesterday. More than stay in a bed, but today I have a lot to do. Don't mind this on my nose. It's salt. If you have a nose piercing or if you know nobody will have a nose piercing, you know the struggles. So as me I say, I'm doing laundry right now. You probably can hear the machine running. I'm gonna lock off the fan because I'm probably not even hear me. Yeah, I'm doing laundry right now. Probably hear the machine. I'm also watching Untold. Some girlfriend that didn't exist. Something. It's just crazy how people wicked. I swear, people just wicked and they don't know what they do to people. Or they mash up people's life and everything there. Anyway, you can watch it, guys. It's on Netflix. So I did that. I'm about to put the piece of pressure and season up the chicken. Simple dinner today, just rice and peas and chicken. And yeah, just chores to them. I have my son project to finish over there, so I have to clean the house and whatever. So that's really what the plan is for today. Nothing extra, nothing serious. I don't know. Regardless of whatever it is that I'm gonna bring to you guys, I'm gonna bring something because I love when I want to keep it included, you know. Yeah, I also want to wash this. I want to wash it and rewrap the roots, so probably do that today as well. And yeah, we'll see how the day goes. Something happen, of course, and we'll know and what's not. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day and hope you guys are doing well with getting prepared for the new upcoming week and whatever. I have so much on my mind. My mind literally are running in circles. Sometimes I really have to stop and just sit down and just relax my brain and all of that. Because if you follow life, life will just have you like this. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon.